Welcome back to The Wonderful Life. We're Tim and Deanna. Today we'll take you on a short walking tour of some popular activity spaces on the Norwegian Viva's upper decks, as well as the Oceanwalk area. Without further ado, let's go.
This is the bottom
this is the wave water slide, which I don't know. It's on a tube. It might be doable, honestly.
This is the Waves pool bar, which is where we had our sail away party, but it's a very small space. The pool is also rather small. This is up to get to the top of the water slide. The wave water slide is up here.
Well,
There's also a sun deck and a children's aquatic park up here. We haven't seen that
yet. Let's go.
We will shortly. Yeah, there's the staircase to get up to the top level.
Oh, there it is.
That's
kind of cool for kids.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a splash park. Let's try this.
Where we stand?
The yellow.
This is an instructional video. Wave until the pink light turns off. We don't have that yet. Do we hit the record button?
Yeah.
5.
Oh, this way.
Oh, it's this way. Where is it? Oh, it's way up there.
Uh-huh.
It's still coming. That's a long wave.
We are creating your super selfie video. This is an interesting concept. There it is.
That's it.
Oh, look at that. How fun.
Whoa. Gosh, I'm so far away.
It's a super selfie. Okie doke.
Mission accomplished.
$5 for that super selfie. This is how you get onto the slide, though, I think, right?
Yep, and there's also a few sun decks and
Got
things.
Got it.
That is the formal entrance to the wave water slide.
It's closed. That's why no one is on it. It's probably too windy, the racetrack, I think. Oh, it's the one of the dry slides, too.
Slide, yeah.
There's 2 dry slides on the ship. One's the drop, the other's the rush. They're free, from what I'm told. Necessary.
Oh, there's sound effects? Oh no, that's the boat next door. I thought as soon as you enter the drop zone.
Oh, I see. So you take these little, they're like rugs.
Carpets
and then you step in and you go down.
Oh yeah, we're approaching the fun zone.
Yep.
Mini golf and darts and such.
They have disclosures that if you have a bad heart and a bad back, to not ride. So this is the Speedway Bar, which we heard and saw people on yesterday.
We've got a leaderboard for everyone who's driven the track.
You have to be at least 55 inches in order to drive. So that's 4 feet. Not quite 5 feet, a little less than 5 feet, like 4.5 feet tall. And maximum height is 82 inches.
Okay.
And a maximum weight of 265. So they have very strict requirements to be able to drive. And this must be the rush.
It is, and it's open.
Yep. Minimum of 48 inches in order to ride. It's another dry slide, which they're closing, looks like right now, maybe because of the rain.
Got a little shuffleboard.
Yep.
This, I don't know what you do with that.
I think, is it like a table tennis thing?
Oh, that's right. It's ping pong in a tube. There's the ping pong.
Yeah, that would be my guess, like ping pong. There's the racetrack check-in.
That is pickleball, very small pickleball.
It is. That's a nice little pickleball court.
And there's a timer, so you're...
They've got beer pong.
Lots of that.
There's the regular ping pong. Yeah, foosball. This is kind of fun. I'm surprised there isn't anybody under here. It's not wet. You're away from the elements, but it's still kind of breezy.
Nice. They've got the rules to beer pong as well.
Oh, there. That says sub soccer is what it says.
Yeah, the house rules to sub soccer, which is the little tables. And the Speedway, you just head up the stairs.
Yeah, so they do offer Speedway passes. Like, you could buy them for the entire time you're here and race unlimitedly when they're open. Otherwise, I think it's $15 a person for one, like, 4-minute ride.
You can go up to the viewing platform and then get
Okey-doke.
lay of the track. The little laser guns.
Yes, because you could shoot the bracers.
Yeah, it could speed them up, I think, by hitting a certain target. Yeah, it's a light at the top of the car. Deanna is going to sit in one of the racers just to give everyone an idea
Only
of
if it's
the size.
not wet.
Even if it's wet, just
All right.
put your cocktail down and put the pedal to the metal.
Ouchie.
A little squeaky there. Yeah, it's a long way to the gas pedal there.
Yeah, it is. I'm 5'5".
I would assume it's adjustable in some way. Maybe the seats are adjustable.
I would assume, but I don't know. Now, how to get out of here is the question.
That should be fun to watch.
It's slippery too, by the way.
Just a little
slippery
drama.
You're making me nervous.
Will she wind up in the infirmary on this one? Score, and you've got your drink back. Podiums, when you finish your race, they put the times and your name, and you stand in the appropriate spot. Mini golf.
Which you have to pay for on this ship. What was that? $10 a person, $5 a person, something like that.
And then you rent the dartboards for the day, and you can have a bunch of friends over. It's probably something you want to do if you've got a big enough group that you can divide the expense. Each little dart room comes with a kiosk where you can.
It's a nice little room,
just scan your card and right here, and then you set the time for how long you want to play. And they have different kind of interactive games in their mini golf. I mean, the photo booth is part of the mini golf course. They've got a trivia where the ball will go in a better place if you get the answers right. This is almost a pinball mini golf. So, I mean, you're paying for this, but it's a little more high end. But in this case, it's a real dartboard surface. It's not a plastic.
Yeah, it's not plastic. They're going to be metal darts. Oh, look. So you got your scores. It is interactive, though. So it keeps track of what your score is on that TV.
Yeah. Maybe it's non-slip glass.
I don't know. Phew,
Score.
that's cool. I don't remember seeing this last time we walked by here.
AstroTurf. This is just like sort of a monolith kind of thingy. Metal sculpture.
Yeah, lots of that.
The chrome here, like tin foil. And this is the rock, paper, and scissors that I heard about. Slides.
Yeah, both of the dry slides, it looks like. I think because one was on one side, one was on the other. So one of these, this must be the racing slide. So I think there's two single, and you race the other person down.
Think so?
Yeah.
The little infinity pools. It's crowded in there.
A bar. The Soleil Bar. Oh, nice view.
If it weren't
So
all
this is
damp.
the, well, on the breakaway class ships, it's called the waterfront. This is called, I think, Oceanfront, right? On the Viva.
I don't know, I believe so.
Oh, ice cream.
I guess we're there, we may as well.
Huh? Since we're here, chocolate, vanilla, and swirl.
My goodness,
What?
poor technique.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. If you found our video to be informative, please click like and subscribe to our channel. Check out the tour of our midship standard balcony cabin video next. And remember, keep living the wonderful life.